Can a Marine take an animal, a whole animal, and feed Marines with that? The answer is yes, as of today. Ground forces need a whole range of support in order to operate. There's only so much that a Marine can carry on his or her back. So that being said, our support MOSs, but specifically food service, provide a critical function in order to enable those ground forces to continue operating deeper and deeper into a combat zone. What we've looked at here within our food service community is what additional training that we can do here that will give our food service Marines a certain set of skills that will enable them to support a ground force. And our field mess site here replicates some of the resource constraints that Marines will encounter, and we've pushed them to begin training and learning how to feed a ground force in that environment.
The knowledge and skills that we're learning here right now in this specific course for the second class to do this type of training, it's valuable knowledge that is going to produce longevity, because there may be times when you don't have adequate supplies coming in or like a resupply happening. So you got to be able to make do with what you have around you, and that's what this training is literally providing us the knowledge for.
The comment I was asking all of our MOSs to raise our game. Look at what we do, understand how we can do this in a contested environment, and if we need to change, take some risk to make some changes that will enable our combat service support community.
Chow is morale, so you want to be able to provide, as food service, hospitality. We're not just a service MOS, we essentially are providing that morale for those Marines out in the field. If you're thousands of miles away from home and you're out in the field all day training, you want to come back to the site, see familiar faces, hopefully everybody makes it back, everybody's together, there's unity, there's cohesion, and you're sitting down for that nice home-cooked meal. So an MRE isn't going to provide that moment, it's not going to provide that experience, and that's what we're here to do, is we're providing an experience.